So friend, this is my computer hardware series video, and in this my already I'm created lot of video, very important video, and watch my everything video previous very important for you knowledge, and you cannot understand because last my previous video very everything give information for basic knowledge, and some computer not maybe not understand videos because all video might depend on one by one. Okay, so watch previous video very important for you, and this is what is the hardware, what is the software. I'm already created some video very important system software basic computer parts, and this software computer basic part types of computer devices related videos and everything, input output devices, and student devices, internet network devices, what is a computer hardware parts, so mouse, keyboard, and monitor, CPU, different devices. I will discuss one by one devices, so maybe uh, very high in more long video. So first understand mouse and mouse related video starts this chapter first computer hardware parts, mouse, so and after continue keyboard, monitor, everything. Okay, so first understand mouse, so mouse devices, and why input devices this call. So let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online Nettech discussion, and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related computer related advanced computer hardware network software everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video, so you can see this is a very important for you. And you visit my other playlist, you can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created, what is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit for my playlist. So thank you. So a lot of people computer using and know about what is a mouse devices, what is a mouse. So mouse is one type of control everything your operating system, control everything your software, control everything every side, any side you want to start setting everything, changing everything, your designing and 3D designing, especially to Photoshop and animation, any you want video editing any side. So first you need mouse devices. Okay, so what is a mouse, and first understand. So mouse have a different wires creator for work, and this is a input devices because this is only signal sent to computer, and CPU process and showing your mouse related any your changing anything, any showing your data on only your display, CRT display, your LCD, LED display. Okay, so it is the one type of your mouse control everything system. So old generation type mouse starting and how this starts here. Okay, so old generation time mechanical type mouse, but optical after created system, and how both different and how work it. Okay, I will discuss in one by one. So first understand what is a use need. Just as you would use your hands to interact with object in the physical world. Okay, physical world. You can use the mouse to interact with items on your computer screen. So you are watching YouTube videos, so you are controlled by your mouse. You are open website. You are open Facebook and start your in your computer. So different files. You start profile. Click on profile button. Click on like button. It is one type of items. So this is interact by your mouse and computer. You can see your control your mouse. Okay, you can move object, you can open them, change them, throw them away, and perform other action, and all by pointing and clicking with your mouse. So computer, any created mouse, two main important part: pointing and clicking. Okay, with your mouse. So what is the mean? Because this is a mouse point, it's called mouse point. Okay, you are watching everything. I'm going left side, this I'm going right side. I'm click on here, I'm click on this side, every side, any side. I'm click on this side, click any side. So it is a one type of pointing and clicking. I'm click here, I'm click here, this side, and lot of item you can see just this here. Okay, so it is a one type of item. So and change them. How change them? Because you are right click and create a folder. You create a move and a file and other side. So it is a one type of perform action other side, and other type of clicking in your mouse. Okay, so it is a very only for directly and some fast work by mouse point. Okay, for your computer. So mouse understand related. So mouse is basically input device because only send data to computer, and different computer created different type mouse. Next time I will continue mouse basic parts. Okay, because today I am discuss this related very small video I'm create for you, and some related some computer have first complete using a mouse. So your mouse is one type of input devices, because everything changing, you're moving anything data, anything, you drag and drop your files, drag and files and folders. You're changing every side, your animation parts, your videos, your Photoshop. Your especially to Photoshop need compulsory mouse devices, because Photoshop is one type of software, and one type of software, and it is one type only for special person only photography in photos, editing, and some graphics created. uh, you want to first create graphics animation, so you need mouse only. Okay, so next time I will continue basic computer basic parts of mouse. So click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on bell icon for new mobile new videos. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.